Okay, so we're going to be building a SlackBot using Chirpers and the Slack webhook docs. So first you want to navigate to chirpers.com. Once you're there, you'll want to head over to the dashboard button in the navigation bar. Click that and it will take you to a sign in page, or you can sign up as a new user. Go ahead, fill that out, and then it will take you to this confirmation screen and then to this validation screen where you click to log in, and there you'll see your dashboard. It has a link back to the Chirpers website where you came from. You can log out from the top left menu or go back home. Then it shows your first device, your information, your robot you get assigned randomly, details, and designer. So you'll want to click that and you'll see all of the nodes. You'll first want to grab the HTTP-in node from the input section and name it the name of your bot, basically. And then grab the collections node from the function area, and you'll want to create an array of different responses that you would like your bot to say in Slack whenever somebody uses the trigger word. So we did a few right here, and then we're going to select sample for the function. For output, we're setting it to word, message.word, and the name is whatever you want to name it that kind of makes sense for what the node does. So I put random coffee replies in Slack. You'll want to hook the two nodes up by connecting the squares, and then you want to pick the change node and set the first one, message payload, to an empty object, and then the second one, add it and do msg.payload.text to message.word. Press OK, and then grab the final node, which is HTTP reply, for your output, and you can name it Slack. Then to debug, we're going to throw a debug node onto the change node to see what we will be saying in Slack if someone triggers the robot or triggers the bot. You'll take that inject and put it right in front of the replies. Click the allow debug in panel, reload, or press run to get it started. If you press the button, you'll see it has replies in the debug section with all of our responses given at random. So now we're done with that. We're going to click on the coffee node and take that URL so we can throw it into the Slack webhook docs. To get to the Slack docs, go to your company's customization page, click Configure Apps, then click Custom Integrations, and within that menu go to Outgoing Webhooks. From here you'll want to click the Add Outgoing Webhooks integration. Here is where we get to the webhook docs for Slack, so we know what we're putting into the Chirpers designer, the JSON object containing the text for the payload, and we're listening in on the rando channel for our company with the trigger word of caffeine. Then we're going to paste that URL we copied earlier from the coffee Chirpers node. We're not doing anything with token at this time. We'll add a descriptive label and customize our bot's name and add a little picture, or in our case an emoji. You'll see a preview of what the bot will look like in Slack. You'll go ahead and save this and test it out using the trigger word as the first word in your Slack chat room. And there you go. Caffeine is what I need, and the coffee demo bot responds.